Rudy here, 27th of November. Welcome to the Daily Ninja Show. If you're new here, welcome aboard. This is where we go through the high risk, high reward shares ETF that surround the tank, this guy, which we use to build a portfolio to ride this resource bull market. If you haven't seen him before, I'll leave a vid at the end. Okay, so it's pretty flat generally today. The tank was down 0.5%. That's fine. Anyone who's invested hasn't lost any money yet. As opposed to, so VAS was flat again today. So that bounce, it's had a bit of a resistance zone here. If we look at the XFJ, so this is our financial index, still doesn't look great. And if we go through and have a look at them, so CBA, ANZ, NAB, Westpac probably looks the best, Macquarie, Suncorp, QBE, they don't look very upward. So VAP, the property, and then even our tech sector, ATech, can't get a bid. And Wesfarmers, and I thought this was interesting about the state of affairs in running a business in Australia. Wesfarmers, they've seen an increase in energy costs of 15% year on year, higher wages due to industrial type rules. And I noticed Melbourne's going to try and mandate like 7 work from home days. Anyway, logistics up 10 to 15%, and compliance burdens. I reckon that sums us up pretty well as a country. Okay, on to other things. So S&P looks fine. Nasdaq looks fine. Okay, gold. Look at the daily chart. So that's moving nicely. Can't complain. Gold in Aussie dollars. It's looking fine. So our gold index, so we're approaching a bit of resistance here, trying to work out what the gold price is doing, but I'm still not concerned because I think you really got to wait for the next quarter's reports to prove what's coming through. But as for the miners, it's a nice day today, so we're up and away on that one. That's led by, so Newmont still hasn't broken out. Wheaton, that's the royalty, not Wheaton, AEM, sorry, Agnico, gold miner, and Franco. Wow, look at that, royalty company. GDXJ, so that's looking good. So PAS, top holding. Hey, look at them. Look, that's beautiful candles. Don't see them in the banks. Even Evolution had a nice day. Okay. So still all good. Just hang on to your gold. Copper. So we're just hanging there at resistance there. The wire ETF. So again, we're at the top of the band here, waiting for that copper price. So the big stocks in there. So First Quantum. So I've got this note here if they're in XMET on the chart. Anto, Southern Copper. So our boys, Sandfire, BHP having a bit of a rest today. Capstone, and then we got the COPJ ETF over in America. That looks very nice. So who's in there? We've got, that looks good. Taseko, Angex consolidating, Ivanhoe, nice little break, a declining wedge there. One back home, that DVP starting to look good, and so is Hot Chili. So Hot Chili, I think, what the cheapest. They're based on their market cap to resource size. So anyway, get yourself some Hot Chili. Uranium. So the spot price not doing much, so I don't think it'll drop more than that. URNM, not much, but that's right. It hasn't. I think this will be a floor price here. So Kamiko, Kaza, and the Sput Uranium Trust, URNJ. So slowly, that's right. So if we look at Palladium, so that was off 2% today. That's right, should find support around here. Boss. So actually just go to a weekly chart. So Boss needs to get its head back above the waters here. They got that. I still think they got concerns over how they're mixing the cake. Bannerman, that was a bit early, Rudy. So they're a developer in Africa, and Deep Yellow, another developer in Africa. So they got one in WA, and this is the one that Rick Rule said he's selling it because the boss left. Anyway, I don't think there's any rush to get into them, but that's all right. So rare earths, so REMX, that's looking all right. Linus, there, just blah blah, not doing much. MP getting a bit of life into it. And the Luca a bit sideways. I must say I made a sub-asked about like NTU, and I'm sort of of the opinion I think Trump might make friends with China, because he knows he's got about 5 years before he's going to get rare earths going around the world. So yeah, I might be wrong, but that's just what I think. Lit P, so that still looks good. Pilbara, so that's indecision candle here, so that might be a short-term top. Gangfeng, IGO, so we're sort of having some topping action here. Liontown, so that's all right. I mean, Christ, they've done extremely well. Oil, so the oil price, all the bearish news around, but someone keeps buying it. Someone's buying it anyway. The long-term chart looks bullish. So natural gas, that looks good. Oh yeah, it's theory today, isn't it? Theory day. I reckon all these countries around the world, including us, that have gone head first into solar and wind, they're going to find out that, oh shit, we don't have enough electricity, and what are they going to do? Turn to this fella, gas. That's my new theory. Got to come up with theories. Woodside, so sitting at 25. Now a little ratio comparison for you. So this is Woodside over natural gas price. So down in this area, Woodside is cheap compared to the price of natural gas, and then it's expensive compared to the price of natural gas. So Woodside is getting into this cheap bucket. Anyway, that was a bit of fun. Origin still looks fine. And the fuel ETF, that's your Shells and BHPs. Okay. Mr. Other. So iron ore, whoops. So iron ore looks fine. FMG looks fine. Tin. So tin's breaking out there of that consolidation. So that's that MLX. Looking very nice. And there's a few industrial type stocks. So RFF, agriculture land, 6% div. Elders, 4.8 div. So in that agricultural space. Horizon, that's been an old. The div's probably a bit lower than that now, but that's still looks good. Brambles, we've got some support there. Cleanaway, that was an old one, but that's starting to look good. James Hardy, he's a fibre cement guy. Oh, yeah, no, the Cube. This was an old one. See, there's a good one. So I'll turn that one off now. Reliance, the plumbing, starting to look okay. KLS, sort of infrastructure development. KOV, manufacturing. SGM, Sims. So a few of these sort of businesses that do work. PWR. Reese, I haven't put a buy on that, but if it can, like, put it on your radar if you like that. And Biz, that's an old one, but it looks like it's going alright. Okay. And we finish off with Girlfriend. Okay. So what's happening with her? Okay, so if we go to a daily, we'll go. So she's coming up near resistance here. So I just had to, we're looking at 1 hour charts because I look at her all the time. So we've got a measured move, this flagpole here from the breakout. So this is a short-term resistance. But we've got another measured move from here to here, add it to there, which is just above resistance. So it'll be interesting to say she might pop her head up and then come back. But anyway, she's up. And if we look at the gold-silver ratio, so going down means silver's outperforming gold. So that's good. Zinc is holding up. Lead, still a lead balloon. E2E mag, looking beautiful. Silj, she did well, look at that, popping out. Very nice action. So that's Heckler. Keep saying this guy's a beast. So we've got Kua, there's all that room to go. First Majestic, all that room. Endeavour, look at that, they're beautiful. Look at those charts. And Wheaton, very nice. And then we've got our XMET. I thought he would have done a bit more today with those. Well, the problem is those 3 silver stocks are only like 20% of XMET. So you're not going to get a Silj kick, but I reckon it'll still be one of the best ones. That with miners. All right. So I should finish off with South 32 just for the staple gang. So South 32 looks fine. Oh yeah, sorry. So there are some of our silver, not much of our silver stocks. They didn't do very much, which I'm surprised about. But the ones that do look okay is My Kitchen Rules, AZI, and AQI. They're the ones that sort of look the best. So interesting. I don't know what it's going to take to get the other ones to go. All right then, till tomorrow. And it's Thanksgiving in America, so no action overnight in America. All right, see ya.